guys, this is the knife we're doing today. We're going to try to get this thing looking oh so pretty. Nice action, pretty big blade, but linear lock unlocks pretty well. Thumb lock unlocks pretty well. So we're going to see how this goes. This is going to be a Nightmare Before Christmas themed knife, so hopefully it comes out just looking gorgeous. Got a feeling this one's going to be popular, so let's see what happens.
Got my hands stained black, brush some metal and the flames up. Golden lives in the grind slap. Daybreak still on the attack. Steel beasts in the firelight. Motorcycles shine so bright. Knives and guns in the twilight. Hardcore blood in every night. Steel beasts in the firelight. Motorcycles shine so bright. Knives and guns in the twilight. Hardcore blood in every night. Cerakote, fuel my fight. Pave the world with my might. No sleep in the dead of night. Hard work makes it alright. Gods roaring through the lands. My craft in their iron hands. Dreams in the furnace stands. Each stroke demands and commands. Cars roaring through the lands. My craft in their iron hands. Dreams in the furnace stands. Each stroke demands and commands. Fire as last dance as friends. Never let me no pretense. Scratch and coat never ends. To the dark my light lends. Every street come on, go right. On this endless rolling ride. Gleaming on the moontide. This rock where my dreams bite.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Purple Cerakote in the Shop. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have, please share this video out, and hopefully we get more people in to watch us do these awesome projects. Today is going to be a highly anticipated project, a Nightmare Before Christmas EDC. So, let's do this. Cutting stencils, cutting stencils. I'm cutting stencils. I have a feeling this is just going to be a fun one. Because, don't get me wrong, it's probably not the most sophisticated knife we've done, but it's going to be good. We can live like Jack and Sally if you want. I've had that song stuck in my head since I said I was going to do a Nightmare Before Christmas knife. Alright. First color of the day, Aztec Teal. Hokely dokely. Schmokely pokely. Bloop. Well, usually I keep the wrapper, but I threw the wrapper away this time. Why? Because I'm not smart. It's okay. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Let us start. Alright guys, our next color is Frost. I already put the stencils on, but I'm not showing you the stencils. Why? Because it's going to be a surprise. So if you do see the stencils while I am Cerakoting, do not run it for anybody else. Talking to you, Craig. Now we must shake the crap out of our paint. It flows like butter. Turn that down a little bit. Came out a little thicker than I wanted, but still gonna be badass. Why do we need to wear gloves? Alright guys, so our next color is going to be black cherry. So we're going to get this mixed up. Just going to put a little bit. Just a little bit. I just want a little bit on now. Hope I can do just a little bit. Alright, y'all. Let's peel off these schmencels.
pity for the weak.